you are just confined in a space and like working all day. Over here, you get the freedom of like moving. Yeah, the fight went pretty well. Like got done it in 2 rounds because I won 5 consecutive matches this year. Developing a software is much easier than getting punched in the face. Yeah. Primarily, I'm a software developer, software engineer by profession. Yeah, I've been doing that for like quite a while now. Just I've started MMA last 3 years, and yeah, I've been liking it. Both are totally different experience. Yeah, inside a cubicle, you are just confined in a space and like working all day. Over here, you get the freedom of like moving and all. Yeah, and yeah, it's something else getting punched in the face. It's like anything. I think I would say the Conor McGregor fight versus Aldo was the, I think, one of the points where I thought like, yeah, I should pursue this. Yeah, and I think that's where that wave came of MMA in India, I think. Before this, I have done karate before, but it was just for a short period of time, like 1 year. But post that, I never got into anything. So, like, I saw this MMA thing, like, growing in India. So I thought, like, let's not let's try it and see how it goes. MMA I started in Pune itself. I'm primarily from Mumbai, and I've been here in Pune for last 5 years. And uh, over here, I found Yogesh Jadhav. He is one of the heavyweights who represents Pune. He was my first coach, and his academy was just right next to where I was staying. That's how it started. Yeah, I definitely remember it. It was in Hyderabad. Uh, yeah, the fight went pretty well. Like got done it in 2 rounds, but the next fight was like I was not able to it was pretty hard for me. But yeah, the first fight experience was pretty good. It's totally two different experience, like sitting behind a screen watching a match and actually playing in the cage. Experience, I think it was very frightening at first, but I think I got used to it. I think for MMA, my best years would be this one because I won 5 consecutive matches this year. But yeah, I have played for MMA India in Hyderabad, in Lucknow, and yeah, couple of matches happened here in Pune itself. Yeah, and I have played one previously for Warriors Dream as well. For me, for myself, it would be the last Warriors Dream match, the last one where I got the knockout finish. That would be the highlight for me, like memory. Cobra Thai happened like 6 months. I think I was following them for like quite a while, quite before they even started. Think they put up the banners and all, and they were quite active on Instagram as well. So I followed them, and I stay near, like it's just 10 minutes away. So yeah, this was a no-brainer choice for me. Yeah, it has been phenomenal. Yeah, after joining Cobra Thai, I got the 5 win streak. Yeah, so definitely it's a blessing, I would say, like Cobra Thai, getting into Cobra Thai. I've not thought about it much to be honest. But yeah, I do want to continue in this sport for quite a long time. as long as my body supports it. Yeah. And I don't have any such message, but I would say like try it once. You should, yeah, you guys should definitely try it once. Maybe not MMA, but try other aspects like BJJ wrestling where you you don't get punched. Yeah, yeah, that's like developing a software is much easier than getting punched in the face. Yeah.